Rub this on your body before bed, and in just 7 days, many men are noticing remarkable improvements in digestion, hormone balance, sleep quality, and even erectile function. I know it sounds almost too simple to be true, and many of the men I work with were skeptical at first, but after trying it for themselves, the results spoke for themselves. Castor oil has a long history of use across cultures for wellness and healing, yet most people have no idea how to apply it effectively. I'm Dr. Eliza, here to guide you through the science and practical use of castor oil so you can safely and effectively integrate it into your nightly routine. Castor oil contains a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which is its main active component. This compound has been studied for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and circulation-boosting properties. Traditional medicine and modern complementary practices alike have highlighted its benefits for skin health, digestion, hormone regulation, and sleep. For men specifically, many report improved erectile function, more consistent morning erections, and enhanced sexual performance, which I'll explain in detail later. Let's take a closer look at what research and experience show. Castor oil is widely recognized for its laxative effects, and when applied topically over the abdomen, it often supports digestive comfort by reducing bloating and encouraging smoother bowel movements. Scientific studies also indicate that ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit the joints, muscles, and skin when applied externally. Beyond these effects, castor oil is also an excellent moisturizer and promotes skin health by improving hydration and elasticity. Applied at night, it can enhance relaxation and sleep quality, likely through a gentle stimulation of the parasympathetic nervous system, which triggers rest and digest functions. Some evidence suggests it may even support hormonal balance and metabolic function, creating a more harmonious internal environment. So, how should you use castor oil to experience these benefits? The key is consistency and proper application. Look for an organic, cold-pressed castor oil stored in a glass bottle to ensure purity and potency. Most bottles come with a piece of cloth known as a castor oil pack. Apply the oil generously to the cloth, then place it over your liver area, which is located under your right rib cage. Secure it in place, put a shirt over it, and go to sleep. Why the liver? In traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is particularly active between 2 and 4 a.m., working to detoxify the body, recycle bile, and regulate hormones. When castor oil is absorbed through the skin in this area, it may support these natural liver functions, leading to increased energy, a lighter feeling in the abdomen, and potentially a slimmer waistline. Many men who track sleep patterns, heart rate variability, and REM cycles report noticeable improvements in restorative sleep when using a castor oil pack consistently. Here's what you might notice over the first 7 days. On night 1, you may feel gentle warmth or tingling in the area, a sense of relaxation, and mild digestive movements, such as reduced gas or even a bowel movement. By night 2, digestive improvements continue, bloating diminishes, and bowel movements may become easier and more regular. Night 3 often brings deeper, more restful sleep with fewer interruptions, and many men notice stronger morning erections, a sign that the body is restoring itself effectively overnight. By night 4, mood and energy levels typically improve, minor skin inflammation may reduce, and digestive comfort continues to increase. Night 5 often brings heightened liver support, further energy gains, reduced morning puffiness, and improved sexual response and libido. By night 6, inflammation and soreness may diminish, hormonal balance improves, and sexual stamina and performance can become more noticeable. Finally, by night 7, many men report a combination of improved digestion, reduced bloating, deeper sleep, enhanced circulation, visible skin improvements, and significant enhancements in erectile quality and sexual function. The benefits are a result of multiple systems working together. Ricinoleic acid reduces inflammation in the body, including in blood vessels, which improves circulation and supports erectile function. Lymphatic stimulation helps detoxification, while the relaxation response encourages better sleep and recovery. Improved sleep, in turn, supports testosterone production, which primarily occurs during deep sleep, feeding directly into libido and sexual health. The liver's enhanced detoxification, combined with better blood flow and reduced inflammation, creates an environment where the body can naturally optimize hormone balance and sexual performance. To achieve the best results, avoid low-quality or adulterated castor oils and never apply it to broken skin or infections. Consistency is essential. Apply it nightly for at least 7 days and ideally continue for a month or more to experience compounding effects. Gently massaging the area before applying the oil can enhance absorption. Apply the pack 30 to 60 minutes before bed and protect your sheets by tucking your shirt in over the pack. Pair this practice with good sleep hygiene. Avoid eating within 3 hours of bedtime. Maintain a cool, dark bedroom environment and consider blackout curtains or a sleep mask to maximize deep restorative sleep. Some common questions include, which brand to use? Organic, cold-pressed castor oil with a pack like Queen of Thrones is a reliable option. Heating pads are optional, but may enhance relaxation and absorption. The pack helps concentrate the oil in the liver area, maximizing results compared to applying it directly to the skin. For sensitive skin, start with a smaller amount and gradually increase to a full tablespoon over several nights. Scientific studies support its anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting effects, and extensive anecdotal evidence demonstrates its benefits for digestion, skin, sleep, hormone regulation, and sexual function. For further research, PubMed contains numerous studies on castor oil's effects in humans. If you follow this protocol consistently, you can expect noticeable improvements in digestion, sleep, skin health, energy, and sexual function. Your body will experience enhanced circulation, reduced inflammation, and improved liver and hormone function, all working together to restore balance and vitality naturally. Many men continue this practice nightly, even while traveling, because the benefits accumulate over time and support long-term wellness. Now, let's expand further on how castor oil interacts with the body, its broader applications, and additional lifestyle practices that enhance its effects. Castor oil's unique composition allows it to penetrate the skin and stimulate the lymphatic system, which is responsible for clearing toxins, transporting immune cells, and regulating fluid balance. By supporting the lymphatic system, castor oil indirectly contributes to immune resilience, reduced swelling, and decreased systemic inflammation. In addition to the liver area, some practitioners recommend castor oil packs over the joints, such as knees or shoulders, to alleviate localized inflammation and stiffness. For skin health, regular topical application can improve hydration, reduce fine lines, and calm irritation from conditions like eczema or dermatitis. Sleep benefits are closely linked to the autonomic nervous system. When castor oil is applied before bedtime, the slight warmth and gentle pressure of the pack trigger parasympathetic activity, lowering heart rate and promoting relaxation. Deep sleep stages are essential not only for testosterone production, but also for memory consolidation, tissue repair, and metabolic regulation. By enhancing sleep quality, castor oil supports multiple physiological processes simultaneously, contributing to overall well-being. Digestive improvements are also tied to ricinoleic acid's effects on smooth muscle contraction in the intestines. Gentle stimulation of the abdominal region encourages peristalsis, helping move stool more efficiently and reducing bloating and constipation. Men who struggle with irregular bowel habits often notice meaningful improvements within just a few days of consistent use. Additionally, reducing digestive discomfort indirectly supports mental clarity and mood, as chronic bloating and gastrointestinal stress can impair focus and increase irritability. Hormonal regulation is another important aspect. The liver plays a central role in metabolizing and regulating hormones such as testosterone, cortisol, and estrogen. By supporting liver function at night, castor oil may facilitate more balanced hormone levels, improving mood, energy, and sexual function. Enhanced blood flow to the pelvic region, combined with reduced vascular inflammation, creates optimal conditions for erectile quality and sexual stamina. When paired with adequate deep sleep and a nutrient-rich diet, these effects can be further amplified. Lifestyle integration can maximize castor oil's benefits. Hydration, regular exercise, and a diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber complement the effects of castor oil by promoting circulation, detoxification, and hormonal health. Stress management practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and mindful stretching synergize with the relaxation effects of nightly castor oil application, creating a holistic routine that supports both physical and mental well-being. It's also worth noting that castor oil has a remarkably safe profile when used externally. Allergic reactions are rare but possible, which is why a patch test on a small area of skin is recommended before widespread use. Combining castor oil with other natural remedies, such as magnesium supplementation for sleep or gentle abdominal massage, can further enhance digestive and sleep benefits. Many men report long-term improvements in overall vitality, including higher energy levels, better mood stability, and enhanced resilience to stress. For those curious about sexual health, castor oil's vascular and hormonal effects are particularly relevant. Erections depend on healthy blood vessels, optimal circulation, and sufficient testosterone production. By addressing inflammation, supporting liver function, and promoting restorative sleep, castor oil creates a foundation for improved erectile quality. This is not a quick fix, but a natural, cumulative approach that aligns with how the body actually functions. Over time, the benefits often extend beyond sexual health to improved confidence, body composition, and overall life satisfaction. In summary, nightly application of a castor oil pack over the liver offers a multifaceted approach to improving men's health, impacting digestion, sleep, skin, hormone balance, and sexual function. Through consistent use, supported by lifestyle practices like proper sleep hygiene, stress management, hydration, and nutrition, these benefits accumulate, leading to meaningful, sustainable improvements in overall wellness. Scientific studies, traditional knowledge, and extensive patient experience all converge to highlight castor oil as a safe, natural, and effective tool for men seeking to optimize their health from multiple angles.